Dive into the world where robotics and transparency meet. Welcome to the realm of explainable robotics. Here, artificial intelligence models and robotic systems don't just perform tasks, they explain their decisions, actions, and reasoning processes. As robots gain more complexity and autonomy, understanding their behavior becomes crucial, especially in safety-critical applications like healthcare, manufacturing, and autonomous vehicles. So, how does this work? Techniques like symbolic reasoning, causal modeling, and human-robot interaction design come into play. These allow us to comprehend and collaborate with robots effectively, ensuring safety, accountability, and ethical use. In this era, it's not just about what our robots can do, but also about understanding why and how they do it. This is the fascinating world of explainable robotics, where we strive to build trust between humans and machines. So, come along on this journey and discover the transparent future of robotics.